Samsung just dropped the One UI 8.5 beta, and this update isn't just another routine refresh, it's a clear signal of where the entire smartphone experience is heading next. If you're using a Samsung device, or even thinking about switching, there are 5 key features in this update that you need to understand before you install it. Now first, let's quickly set the stage. Samsung continues to push its Android experience further away from stock, and with Samsung One UI 8.5, the focus is sharper than ever: smarter performance, deeper personalization, and tighter system intelligence. The first feature you're going to notice immediately is the refined user interface and animation system. Everything feels smoother, faster, and more intentional. Transitions between apps are cleaner, scrolling feels more responsive, and subtle visual tweaks make the entire system feel more premium. This isn't just about looks, it's about reducing friction. When animations are optimized at this level, your phone actually feels faster, even if the hardware hasn't changed. And for users coming from older versions, this will be one of the most noticeable upgrades day to day. The second major feature is enhanced AI-driven performance optimization. One UI 8.5 is learning how you use your phone in real time, which apps you open most, when you use them, and how long you stay in them. Based on that, it dynamically allocates system resources to prioritize what matters most to you. That means faster app launches, better multitasking, and improved battery efficiency. For advanced users, this is where things get interesting, because the system is no longer just reacting, it's predicting behavior patterns and adjusting performance before you even notice slowdowns. Third, Samsung is doubling down on customization. One UI 8.5 expands personalization beyond just wallpapers and themes. You now have deeper control over lock screen layouts, widgets, color palettes, and even system-level elements that were previously locked down. This gives users the ability to create a truly unique interface that matches both their aesthetic and workflow. For casual users, it's about making the phone feel more personal. For power users, it's about building a more efficient and tailored experience. The fourth feature is improved privacy and security controls. With every update, Samsung continues to strengthen its position on user data protection, and One UI 8.5 introduces more transparent permission management and tighter control over background activity. You'll have clearer visibility into which apps are accessing your data, how often they're doing it, and the ability to shut that access down instantly. In a time where data privacy is becoming more critical, this is not just a feature, it's a necessity. And finally, the fifth feature is better ecosystem integration. If you're using multiple Samsung devices, whether it's a tablet, smartwatch, or earbuds, One UI 8.5 improves how everything connects and communicates. Switching between devices feels more seamless, file sharing is faster, and notifications sync more intelligently across your ecosystem. This is Samsung building a more connected experience, similar to what we've seen from other major tech ecosystems, but now more refined and more consistent. Now the real question: should you install the beta? If you're someone who likes to stay ahead of the curve and experience new features early, this update offers a strong preview of what's coming next. The improvements to performance, customization, and system intelligence make it a meaningful upgrade, not just a cosmetic one. However, it is still a beta. That means potential bugs, occasional instability, and certain features that may not be fully optimized yet. If you rely on your device for critical daily tasks, it may be worth waiting for the stable release. But one thing is clear: One UI 8.5 is not just an incremental update. It represents a shift toward a smarter, more adaptive smartphone experience, where your device isn't just responding to you, but actively working with you. Samsung is moving closer to a future where your phone understands your habits, anticipates your needs, and delivers a seamless experience without you having to think about it. And this update is another step in that direction. So the question now is simple: are you ready to upgrade, or are you waiting to see how it evolves?